I'd like to encourage you, especially women that are afraid to venture into tech. I did it, you can do it. I discovered LEARNTOR in my search for personal development. So I found LEARNTOR online when I saw your interview with Channels Television talking about the agile way of working and the changing world. I decided to give it a try. I registered and I became part of the cohort 6. I would say that the agile way of working has come to play, especially in my place of work, in leading my team to ensure that we do things in a dynamic manner. Agile is the future, and LEARNTOR is the place to do Agile. We live in a changing world, and if you are to lead a team to success, you have to apply the Agile methodology. And my experience as an Agile learner played a very significant role in ensuring that I led my division to success, in leading my team and ensuring that we all are dynamic in our way of thinking. That has produced a very significant result for my mandate. I'd like to encourage you, especially women that are afraid to venture into tech. I did it, you can do it. It doesn't have to do with age. Anytime you start, it's okay. It is not hard. You can always improve on what you know.